Hello everyone. So today's a session for grade 11th and 12th. The title is Database Management System. So this is Jane and join with me. So what is DBMS, a database management system? This is the software, okay? So you can store, organize, manage and retrieve your data efficiently. So examples here you can see MySQL, Microsoft Access, and Oracle database. Okay. So first of all, we should know about this database. So database is a collection of related data. Okay. So here you can see we are going to create one database. That database name is student. Okay. So in the student database, you are going to insert roll number, name, class, marks. Okay. So you are going to fill 4 columns. Okay. So here you can see the 3 students, 2 students from 12A and 1 student from 12B. Okay. So here in this database, you can see what is field. Okay. So basic terms you are going to see in this database. What is field? A single piece of information that is called field. Okay. So in this field, you can give name, roll number, marks and extra. Okay. Then record. What is record? A complete row in a table that is known as record. Okay. So here you can see, for example, the roll number is 101 and the name is John. Class is 12A and he scored 85 marks. Okay. So the entire row is one record. Okay. So entire row is known as record. And then third one is table. What is table? Simply we can answer it. A collection of records is known as table. Okay. So example, what is the title of this table name? Students. Okay. And then database. So a collection of related tables. Okay. So all the tables you are going to store in a small container or area that is called database. Okay. So now you can understand one by one what is field. So field is a single piece of information and record, the entire row is called record. And then table, collection of records is called table. And database, the collection of tables. Okay, so that is known as database. Now advantages, what is the benefits? Why we are using this DBMS in programming language? If you are asking this question, simply I will say this answer. So if you want to reduce your data duplication, okay, for example, we can avoid 2 more or 3 or more than records in a table. So you can eliminate, you can maintain only one table or only one name in the table. Okay, not a repeatancy. Okay. We can reduce the data redundancy, that is data duplication, and then improves data security, then faster data retrieval and easy data updating, better data organization. For this purposes, we are using this database management system. So you can see all the websites. Okay, so whatever it may be, you are going to enter your name and then you are going to give your personal details. All the details it's stored in the website's backside is database. Okay, so without a database management system, there is no websites for the specific departments or something official or corporation. Okay, so each and every officials or corporate companies, they are maintaining this type of database management system. Okay, so in this database management system, how we can communicate with this database? By using of this structured query language that is known as SQL. Okay, so in the next session we can see this SQL queries one by one. Okay, thank you so much. Bye from Jenny.